All right, guys, we are here at the closing table of your first home, right? I know you guys are taking some time off work to be here, which I'm very grateful for. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be able to see this through all the way to the end. And I just had a few questions to ask you so you can explain to our viewers how this process was from beginning to end, how you guys felt, what were some of your concerns at the beginning. And that's where I actually wanted to start. You know, what were some of the fears you guys had when you decided to start the home search process?
Well, I guess the first fear is that everyone says that it is a very tough process, and it could take, longer than you would expect, as far as, finding the house first, and then dealing with how much interest out there and payments. So I guess in the beginning it was very fearful, just because you don't know what to expect, especially as a first-time home buyer.
Yeah.
So.
And we were worried about the payments, the location. I think the hardest thing was finding somewhere where it was close to us that we felt comfortable. Yeah.
Nice. And funny enough, we were able to do that.
Yeah,
we were minutes away from your family, from your family member's house. So we got lucky there, and it was patience too, because I know we were sending back and forth a lot of properties, and we were just talking about it earlier that this was the fourth property that we saw, which pretty much met most of our criteria. So
it did, definitely.
That's awesome. And when you guys were going to begin the process, I know you have spoken to other people before. What made you decide to choose me to help you represent you in this purchase?
Well,
Her sister was the one that told us about you, and we were just like, well, we weren't really looking at other realtors anyway, but we did like you, and we do know that since she's family, that she put trust in you, so why not? Why can't we put trust in somebody that we care about, that has trust in you? So we wanted to give.
For sure. Well, shout out to Stephanie.
Yeah. We felt good. We felt that we only worked with one more person before, and we didn't feel the same.
Yeah.
Like, we felt that you were able to help us find out exactly what we wanted, even though it took us some time. But
no, but the patience definitely gave you guys a good reward with this nice little house. And how do you feel like that I worked a little bit different than other agents, or that I handled this process for you guys from beginning to end? How do you guys feel through the process?
I think the information, right? The way that because we didn't know anything about like FHA, we didn't really know anything, honestly.
Yeah, we were
so we
almost
felt,
clueless.
Yeah,
it's all good. It's all good.
We were
Little
clueless.
lost.
Yeah.
But with time, talking to you and you showing us how things are worked out, you explained it very well, and you were always there also. Like at almost any time.
Yeah, very available.
Nice.
Answer any of our questions, and you always gave us like assurance that we're gonna get this done, and you're not gonna like leave us out to dry, or anything like that. So
what do you feel like if you're speaking to a family member or friend that you would tell them, if they're looking to buy a home or sell a home, what do you feel you'll be able to tell them about the experience working with me?
that put your trust in him.
Yeah. And patience.
Just have patience, and you'll get it done.
You'll get it done. My sister told me that you would get it done for sure.
Awesome.
So we trusted that,
Awesome. I appreciate it, guys. Shout out to Steph once again. Thank you so much for your trust and help. Congratulations. You're going to be getting your keys very soon, so enjoy. Get a chance to enjoy your home and start decorating for Christmas and have some great memories there.
Yes, can't wait.
Yes.
Thank
Congratulations,
you so much.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.